Wix SEO tutorial for beginners. Now, SEO is always a very integral part of any website or as a base for any content creator or content writers or any website creators as well. SEO refers to search engine optimization and it helps your website rank better in Google search engines, right? Due to your search engine optimization, depending upon how well they're optimized. The good thing about Wix is that they already have an SEO optimizer right within integrated within their website that can tell you any sort of issues that you have with your website and how you can possibly fix them. It could be the issue with the keywords, or maybe your blog is too long, maybe the images are just in too much high quality that it takes a lot of time to load, and there are black hat SEO and there's a white hat SEO and so on, right? So basically, to figure it out, here on the dashboard, I will go to site and mobile app, website and SEO, and I will select the option called SEO right here. Right here, you can see optimize this search engine so more people can find it online. Here you will see any sort of issues that you have with any applications. For example, you can continue your SEO setup checklist. It will show you some of the issues that you have. And then here you can see some of the recommendations as well. And you can also see the completed task section. So you can also learn all about SEO by watching their right inbuilt videos, whatever they have offered you, and you'll be able to just finish all this checklist and basically optimize your site for better search engine optimization. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.